Sakrete U.S. Cold Patch is an innovative, new, ready-to-use cold asphalt product for the permanent patching of potholes, cracks, and other defects in blacktop surfaces. Sakrete U.S. Cold Patch is fast, durable, and environmentally preferable. Made from over 50% recycled asphalt with no solvents and dramatically reduced VOCs. With Sakrete U.S. Cold Patch, preparation time is minimized. No chiseling or protective gear. Just sweep, pour, tamp, or roll with a tire and go. U.S. Cold Patch has a consistency of potting soil and does not leave oily, greasy stains like traditional asphalt patch materials. No solvent odors either. If the material appears stiff or condensed in the bag, it can easily be returned to its loose consistency by dropping the bag and rolling it. Sweep and remove any loose material from the area to be patched. Simply pour material from the bag into the hole in approximately 1 to 2 inch layers. Spread evenly. Then compact with tamper or vehicle tire. If the hole is deeper than 2 inches, pour additional 1 to 2 inch layers as needed. And repeat compaction until the patch is slightly crowned over the surrounding asphalt for good drainage and any further compaction. Sakrete U.S. Cold Patch cures through compaction instead of evaporation, so it is safe to drive over immediately. U.S. Cold Patch can be applied in any temperature and environment. Wet or dry, it requires no hole preparation and no cleanup required.